Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn Rotate and Reflect tool. So let's start. Let's create a flower with Rotate tool. Make a circle. Select these two anchor points and convert them to straight corners. Now select top anchor point and move it down. Same to bottom anchor point. Rotate it. Pick Rotate tool. When I pick Rotate tool, so you can see a blue color mark on the center of the object. This is called pivot point. This is the point from where your object will rotate. Click and drag it with holding Alt key and release mouse click on the bottom edge of object. So this dialog box will appear. Now see my object is rotating from the bottom edge where I placed my pivot point. Apply angle of 15 and hit copy. Now press Ctrl D. Ctrl D repeat your last transform command which you last applied. So here we have a nice flower. Fill it with gradient. Move to next. If you want to rotate your object clockwise, encircle object. Make a circle. Now a small circle. Align it to top and center with circle. Now select small circle. Pick Rotate tool. This time I have a key object and I want to rotate it to key object. So I will place pivot point on the center of my key object with same process. Click and drag with holding Alt key. When I come near to center, my smart guides will indicate me that I am on center of the object. Release mouse button. A circle have total 360 degrees, and if I want 6 objects, so 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60, means I have to rotate my object on 60 degree. Press Ctrl D for repeat. Next is Reflect tool. This tool is used for reflecting object. Type text here. Change the color. Pick Reflect tool, and there is also same pivot point like Rotate tool. If I place it on left side and then hold mouse click and move it, it will reflect. You can use it for reflection effect of your object. Make a copy of this text and then reflect it. Now apply gradient on reflected object. Change color. We will use opacity command for reflection effect. It will work so good on it. Move it down slightly. That's all for Rotate and Reflect tool. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, so like and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comment section. See you in next video.